What's up, guys? This is Chinese learning course. Today we will talk about Chinese festival.
节日，节日，节日。
元旦 New Year's Day is on the 1st of January, same as other countries. 元旦，元旦，元旦。春节 Spring Festival combines the Chinese characters for spring 春 and festival 节. Is also known as Chinese Lunar New Year. 春节，春节，春节。The festival starts on the eve of the new year, which is called 除夕 in Chinese. 除夕，除夕，除夕。The character 除 means to get rid of, and 夕 means eve, symbolizing the farewell to the old year. During the festival, it's common for people to decorate their homes with auspicious couplets, which are rhyming verses written on red paper and posted on the door. The tradition is called 贴春联 or 贴对联 in Chinese. 贴 means to post. 春联 or 对联 means couplets. One of the most important aspects of the festival is the reunion dinner, where family members gather to enjoy a festival meal together. This meal is called 团圆饭 in Chinese. 团圆饭，团圆饭，团圆饭。In the evening, many people watch the Spring Festival Gala 春晚 on television. This gala is a variety show that features music, dance, comedy, and other performances.
2023年春节联欢晚会
The term 春晚 is short for 春节联欢晚会。春节 you know it means Spring Festival. 联欢 means celebration. 晚会 means evening party. Follow me, please. 春节联欢晚会，春晚，春晚，春晚。Another popular tradition during the festival is setting off fireworks and firecrackers, or 烟花 and 鞭炮 in Chinese. According to superstition, the loud noise and bright lights will scare away evil spirits and bring good luck. Children are often given lucky money, 压岁钱, in red envelope, 红包, during the festival. The tradition is meant to bring good luck and fortune to the children. After 除夕, there are 5 festival days, which are known as 初一、初二、初三、初四、初五 in Chinese. On the first day, 初一, many families eat dumplings, 饺子, as symbol of good luck and prosperity. People also visit relatives and friends to exchange New Year greetings and give red envelopes as a token for their wishes for a happy and prosperous New Year. 发红包 means to give red envelope, which is stuffed with money. 拜年 means New Year greeting.
爸妈，我给你拜年来了。爸妈，过年好。
When meeting or greeting other people, we say 过年好，过年好，过年好 or 新年好，春节快乐，新年快乐。
走亲戚 means visiting relatives. The celebration may extend to the 15th day of the first lunar month, that is Lantern Festival. As the English name suggests, the festival is characterized by the display of red lanterns, 灯笼, and the release of sky lanterns, 孔明灯, into the night sky. But we often call the festival 元宵节 in Chinese, because we eat round-shaped, glutinous rice dumplings as a symbol of unity and family reunion. 元宵 and 汤圆 are sweet glutinous rice balls, which are usually filled with sweet fillings such as black sesame, red bean paste, and brown sugar. 元宵 is bigger and a little bit harder. 汤圆 is smaller and softer. 元宵 are made by rolling the fillings on the rice flour. 汤圆 are made by wrapping the fillings with dough and then rolling it between the two hands. People also saw lantern riddles in Lantern Festival. In Chinese, this is called 猜谜 or 猜灯谜. 三八妇女节 is International Women's Day on the 8th of the March.
三八妇女节，三八妇女节，三八妇女节。
清明节 the Qingming Festival is also known as Tomb Sweeping Day. Typically falls on either 5th April or 4th April, depending on the lunar calendar. The holiday is time for the families to visit graves of their ancestors and pay respect to the deceased. In addition to honoring the dead, Qingming also symbolizes the beginning of the spring and the renewal of the nature after a long winter. During the festival, people may also enjoy flying kites as a popular activity.
清明节，清明节，清明节。
五一劳动节 International Labor Day on the 1st of May. 劳动节，劳动节，劳动节。六一儿童节 International Children's Day on the 1st of June. 儿童节，儿童节，儿童节。端午节 The Dragon Boat Festival commemorates the death of Qu Yuan. He was a poet and statesman who drowned himself in a river over 2,000 years ago.
王上可是为亡国而庆。
The festival falls on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, which is usually in June.
端午节，端午节，端午节。
During this holiday, people race dragon boats and eat zongzi, which are sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves. 七夕节 The Qixi Festival is also known as Double Seventh Festival or Chinese Valentine's Day. It takes on the 7th day of the 7th lunar month, usually in August, and is based on Chinese legend about a weaver girl and a cow herd. They are separated by a huge heavenly river in the sky and can only meet once a year on Magpie Bridge.
七夕节，七夕节，七夕节。
中秋节 The Mid-Autumn Festival takes place on the 15th day of 8th lunar month, usually in September or October, when the moon is at its fullest and brightest.
中秋节，中秋节，中秋节。
我宣布，中秋赏月会正式开始。
The festival is typically celebrated by gathering with family and friends, eating more cake, and admiring the full moon.
月饼，月饼，月饼。
教师节 Teacher's Day is on the 10th of September.
教师节，教师节，教师节。
国庆节 falls on the 1st of October, so we may refer it as 十一. 十一 literally refers the 1st of October, but here we may refer it as a whole holiday about 7 days long. For example, 国庆你去哪儿? Where do you go on the national day? 十一你去哪儿? Where do you go on the 1st October? The two sentences have the same meaning. 国庆 and 十一, they have the same meaning.
国庆 is short for 国庆节。
By the way, 三八 and 妇女节, they have the same meaning. 五一 and 劳动节, they have the same meaning. 光棍节 光棍 means single. We usually say 双十一 instead of 光棍节. 双 means double. 十一 means 11. Singles Day is a holiday celebrated on the 11th of November, which originated in China as a day for unmarried people to celebrate their status and buy themselves gifts to have a good mood. It has since become a popular shopping holiday. Many retailers offer discounts and promotions. I like the day and I usually buy a lot.
光棍节，光棍节，光棍节，双十一，双十一，双十一。These are official public holidays. 元旦、春节、清明节、劳动节、端午节、中秋节、国庆节。Other festivals are not public holidays.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you are doing well. Please don't forget to show your support by giving the video a like and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications as this all really does help me out. Thank you so much everyone and see you next time. Bye. 再见。